Hi, and welcome to Think, Learn, Earn University. My name is Robert Farrell, founder and developer of the Think, Learn, Earn proven training method. I've been training here in New York City, one of the most competitive and difficult markets to work in the world, since 1987, 28 years. That makes me an old guy. I'm 56 years old. I started when I was 28 doing this. So if there's a better, faster way to learn software, more specifically Adobe software and WordPress software, that's what I specialize. Also Apple software too, like Final Cut Pro. But this particular website focuses on WordPress and Adobe for the web. Now, here's what I want to share with you. The benefit of learning from me is that it's on-the-job training. It's like I will share with you all my techniques based on my years of professional development techniques. More importantly, if you're familiar with Udemy, I was the #1 best-selling teacher, highest paid teacher on Udemy from 2012, 13, and 14. Unfortunately, Udemy takes a big cut, like 50%, so I left them. I always had my own training portal, but I wish them well. I think they're a great company. My information is still up there, by the way. This was from last year, 2014. So I was the highest paid guy there, but they take 50%. So that means I can pass the savings on to you. But here's the real advantage of learning with me, especially if you want to learn WordPress. My videos are now inside of the dashboard. That's right. You can learn step-by-step videos right from your WordPress dashboard. Let me share with you the experience. So you can install my plugin just like any other WordPress plugin right from WordPress. Just upload it and install. Now you have to install the base free plugin and then whatever premium plugin that you purchased and also put in your license code. Let me share with you how to do that. So if you're logged into your admin, you simply go down to dashboard. And I happen to have a multi-site installation, but that's besides the point. So I'm going to go down here to plugins. And what I want to do is activate my plugin. So I'm going to go down here. I'm just going to type in TLE for Think, Learn, Earn, and that's going to take me to the TLE plugin. So I want to activate it. If I wanted to deactivate it, I click here. Now, since it's activated already, I can come down here to my TLE dashboard, and let me share the experience with you. Now, if it's the paid plugin, you will not be able to use it until you put in your license code. So if you click right here, let me share with you how simple it is to do. You simply copy and paste your license code that you purchased on the download, then you save the changes and you activate the changes. Let me do that and come right back. So you simply copy and paste your license code, save the changes, and activate the license. Now, here's the important part. Your license is good for 3 installations. You can install it on 3 different computers, a laptop, a desktop, work computer, etc. Now, how I designed this license is really cool because you can activate and deactivate it. So let's say you're working a project that you want to learn some techniques from my videos, great, but then you want to basically leave that company. You don't want them to have the license, so you can deactivate. So you can activate it and deactivate it as many times as you want, but you can run it on 3 computers consecutively at any time while installing 3 times. Now, if you're a developer or you build WordPress websites for a living, it's really cool. You can actually install training videos on your client's computer for a limited time or whenever you want them to learn the information, and then you can deactivate the license. Now, here's what I want to be very careful about. Unless you have physical usage of that license and it's stored someplace safe, watch what happens if I deactivate. If I deactivate, the license goes bye-bye. So you don't want to do that. You definitely want to have access to that particular license. Once your license is activated and it's valid, you can now go down here to your dashboard training videos. So again, what makes my training so powerful is you can watch the videos right from your WordPress dashboard. Now here's another feature set of my training videos. Unlike other training where you really can't take notes on the video, that's an important step. So you can search videos, bookmark videos. Bookmarking a video is as simple as coming down here and bookmarking. You can view your videos by playlist or tile, depending on what you click here. I can pick page tiles or playlist. Now let me share with you a really cool feature. Let's say I want to learn about Google SEO analytics and tips, and this is all part of the All Access course. And I continually add new videos, and if you have lifetime access, then you're going to get videos for life. Now let me share something with you why that's so important. Just like a surgeon goes back to school, I will constantly update you with the newest technology. I would like to think that the software we're using now is going to be around in 5 or 6 years. I'm not talking about WordPress, I'm talking about themes and things. So there might be a lot of improvements made. So this is an insurance policy against future training costs. So for a one-time lifetime fee, you could basically prepay and get lifetime access forever and get all my training videos forever and ever and ever. Yes, until the cows come home. So let me share with you. So let's say I'm on my Google Analytics and I click this particular video right here. And of course, that's going to play the video. But let's say I'm talking about something and you want to take a note. Well, you have a couple of choices. Go get a pen and paper and then try to find that pen and paper later, next week, next month, next year. Now I can simply say, this is my Google note. So I could be specific, I could be generic. Now you don't have to save that. All you have to do next week, next month, next year is come up here to notes and type in any keyword that you typed into there. So I'm going to type in the word Google and search. So this will search through any video that I typed in Google, and there you go. So if I typed in more videos, etc., etc. So I could bookmark, I can search. I also have special offers, but if you have all access, you don't have to worry about special offers because you're getting all the software for one low price. So this is a very wonderful learning environment. Now somebody has asked me, well, hey, how come you're teaching Adobe inside of WordPress? Well, the techniques I teach, whether it's Illustrator or Photoshop or any of the Adobe web products, go hand in hand with WordPress. So if you're going to use, I suggest that you use Adobe software in conjunction with WordPress to enhance the experience. My name is Robert Farrell. If there's a better, faster way to learn and more effective way to learn, you've come to the right place. I've been training again for 28 years since 1987 in New York City. Something else I want to share with you, every May or June, we have wonderful design schools in our city here. Parsons, Pratt, the New School, Cooper Union. Every May, June, I get the graduate students that come to me for training because they were never taught software the right way. I think Parsons, Pratt, the New School are great when it comes to design, but quite frankly, they totally suck when it comes to software training. So I basically made myself a cottage industry here in New York City. I've been doing this a long time, so please take advantage of my software and my method. More importantly, in learning WordPress right from the dashboard. Thank you again for being here. Enjoy your day. Carpe Diem 2015.